Who was Eunice Newton Foote? Eunice Newton Foote was an American scientist and inventor who lived during the 19th century. She was born on July 17, 1819, and is known for her pioneering work in the field of climate science and experimental research on gases. What was her contribution towards the society? Eunice Newton Foote made a pioneering contribution to the field of climate science with her experimental research on the greenhouse effect and the warming effect of different gases. Her significant contribution can be summarized as follows. Number 1. Greenhouse effect experiment. In 1856, Foote conducted a groundbreaking experiment to study the effect of sunlight on different gases. She used glass cylinders filled with various gases, including carbon dioxide and air, and exposed them to sunlight. Foote observed that the cylinder containing carbon dioxide trapped more heat and retained higher temperatures than the one with regular air. Number 2. Linking carbon dioxide to warming. Foote's experiment provided early evidence that carbon dioxide in the atmosphere could potentially lead to warming. Her work predated the more well-known research of Irish scientist John Tyndall, who conducted similar experiments a few years later and reached similar conclusions. Number 3. Publication and presentation. In the same year, Foote presented her findings at the annual meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science, AAAS, in Albany, New York. Her work was published in the Proceedings of the AAAS, but her presentation was not given much attention at the time. So now, why and how is she so popular? Despite the significance of her work, Eunice Newton Foote's contributions were largely overlooked in her time and for many years afterward. However, in recent years, historians and scientists have brought attention to her pioneering research, and she is now recognized as one of the early female scientists to make important contributions to climate science. Her story serves as a reminder of the valuable contributions made by women in science throughout history. Foote's research and conclusions were significant, as they foreshadowed the later development of the science of climate change and the understanding of the greenhouse effect. She was one of the first to explore the relationship between atmospheric gases and temperature, laying the groundwork for further research in this critical area of science. And now, how did Eunice Newton Foote die? There is limited information available about the exact circumstances of Eunice Newton Foote's death. Unfortunately, historical records regarding her later life, including her death, are not well documented or widely known. She died on the 30th of September, 1888, so we can assume that she died with old age. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to get more awesome videos and information.